Hello, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Leo, paunang mensahe po ninyo, the Sun Energy. Ayan, so yung Sun Energy na ito is really a beautiful, very optimistic, and very uplifting energy. Maghahatid dito ng liwanag sa buhay ninyo. Magkakaroon kayo dito ng enlightenment, clarity of mind, lahat, no? Even if you are experiencing a dark situation, dark circumstances, magbabago. No, magbabago na ang inyong sitwasyon. Slowly, it will change. At magkakaroon kayo rito ng mas maliwanag, mas maganda, mas positibo, mas enthusiastic and optimistic na energy, no? At saka kung meron mga problema, no, na maaaring pinagdadaanan ng iba sa inyo dito, that is going to start to change for the better. Kasi si Sun Energy, this is going to bring forth positive changes sa buhay ninyo. Therefore, positive situations, positive everything, no? Ang maaaring maranasan mo at matanggap mo ngayon or ma-receive ninyo sa buhay ninyo. This is a time for happiness and joy, for success, no? Financial abundance, prosperity, yung mga ganon. So, good luck sa'yo kasi napakaganda ng linggong ito. We have King of Cups. Ayan. Maaaring you are going to embody the energy of King of Cups as well. Sa ngayon, si King of Cups is someone that is very sensitive, very intuitive. He's very good and compassionate listener. Napakagaling niyang mag-advise. Possible na you are going to be like that around this time, no? Baka meron mga taong lalapit sa iyo at hihingi ng tulong, no? In any form. Maybe advice, 'di ba? Mga ganon. Possible din na siguro you're going to be dealing with a Cancer sign sa ngayon, or a Scorpio or a Pisces sign, no? So, maybe you are going to be surrounded with Cancer signs, water signs na siguro medyo matured na sa inyo, no? Yung ganon. So, maybe you're going to be dealing with those kind of people or persons sa ngayon. Napakaswerte ninyo talaga, no? Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is swerte. Diba? Ito na yung good luck and good fortune coming on your side. So, talagang magkakaroon kayo rito ng swerte sa iba't ibang parte ng buhay ninyo. Okay? Magkakaroon dito ng positibong pagbabago, definitely. Meron din si Sun na hatid ng ganong klaseng energy. Kaya most likely, mangyayari talaga ito for most of you, no? Na meron mga positibong pagbabago, no? Parang ito na yun, yung pag-ikot ng gulong ng palad, gulong ng buhay ninyo sa ngayon, na it's going to be so much better. Okay? Kung dati nang nasa magandang posisyon kayo, mas gaganda pa yon. Kung medyo nasa dark circumstances kayo, napakaganda magiging resulta nito sa inyo kasi iikot, no? Iikot ang wheel ng buhay ninyo at mapupunta kayo sa mas magandang sitwasyon, no? Mas magiging positibo na, mas magiging maliwanag na, no? Ang buhay ninyo. Swerte kayo, no? Kahit saan. Pera, swerte kayo sa pera, pamilya, personal affairs, mga kaibigan, trabaho. It could be in any area of life, no? But good luck and good fortune is going to kiss each and every area ng buhay ninyo, no? So, with the wheel of fortune. Maaari din na meron travel ng iba sa inyo rito, no? So, what else? We have Five of Swords. Ayan. So, maybe ang iba sa inyo dito nagkaroon ng conflict, no? Maaring meron kayong conflict with someone or conflict with a group of people. Maaring ganon. So, sa ngayon siguro, no, itong kailangan ninyo, mag-step back muna kayo from that situation. Mag-isip-isip, pag nilay-nilayan ninyo, no, i-reassess ninyo bakit nangyari ang ganon, 'di ba? At baka masagot ninyo kung bakit. 'Di ba? Bakit naging gano'n ang inyong sitwasyon na you or the person that you are dealing with nag-walk away na lang kayo ng gano'n na hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. So, maybe you just need some time, no? Maybe you just need some time or some space para makapag-isip-isip, ma-realize ninyo muna kung ano ang mali at maybe, you know, since this is 5 resonates with change, so definitely that is also going to change, no? Sometimes kailangan lang natin ng space and time from someone para ma-realize natin, 'di ba, kung ano ang nangyari or ano ang mabuting gawin. We have 9 of Pentacles. When it rains, it pours talaga, no? Ang swerte ninyo, Leo, lalo-lalo na pagdating sa pera. Kasi si 9 of Pentacles, this is the reward of your hard work. Ito yung bunga ng inyong pagsisikap, bunga ng inyong pagtatrabaho, pagtsatsaga. You know, you are getting it. You are getting the reward. You are getting the fruit, no, of your labor dito. So, this is really a beautiful energy. This is the time na talagang with the wheel of fortune and the sun, so puro tumaswerteng energy. Siswertehin talaga kayo. This is the time that you're going to experience financial comfort. Maraming pera dito, no? Ang dadating or maaring yung mga perang yan could come from various sources, no? So, napakaswerte. So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang mensahe para sa'yo. We have number 2, Antelope Spirit Life is speeding up. Ayan, napakaganda, no? Things are really going to speed up. Dito, there's a lot of movement, there's a lot of changes na mangyayari. Kaya maaring it will involve talaga physical activity na magiging mabilis ang lahat. Magiging busy kayo, maraming pagbabago ang mangyayari sa ngayon. Kaya, kailangan dito na physically, mentally, and emotionally fit and ready kayo para sa sitwasyon na to. Para makasabay kayo, para mai-align ninyo ang inyong energies sa mga pangyayaring ito. No? Kung merong mga delays sa mga ginagawa ninyo, sa mga pinoproseso ninyo, kung ano man yan, mga papeles, applications, or whatsoever, maybe, no, those delays will be lifted na sa ngayon. At uusad ng muli, no, ang inyong mga inaasikaso. We have number 44. Number 44, this is a synchronicity. This is, synchronicity at maraming merong guidance, no, para sa iyo. Baka yung mga angels niyo, spirit guides, or the divine universe, no, sending you more messages, no, through this synchronicity. So, I suggest po na pakitignan ninyo ang ibig sabihin ng number 44, no, sa numerology or angel numbers, you know, look it up at nandiyan yung mga extra insights or information or messages para sa inyo. Guidance, no, ng yung spirit team. Sabi dito, reclaim your power. Okay? Reclaim your power. Kasi maaring in the past, no, siguro your life is being run by someone, or maybe your life is being restricted, no, ng kung sino man or ng maybe ng sitwasyon. So you can't move the way you want it. You can't make a decision on your own. Siguro, no, yung ganon. Kaya ngayon, maybe you are going to stand on your feet, no, at talagang babawiin nyo na kung ano yung inyong kapangyarihan over yourself. What else? We have number 22. This is another master number. Leo, this is number 22, master number po ito. So, pakitignan din po ninyo, ano, idagdag nyo na po yan sa babasahin ninyo. I-google po ninyo yan. Anong ibig sabihin ng master number 22 for more guidance? At since meron din tayong isa pang 2 dito, so that becomes also 3 2s. So, that is angel number 222. Pakitignan po ninyo, okay? Mga ibig sabihin ng mga yan. Truth transcends illusion. yung ngayon. So maybe there is some truth that is coming to light sa ngayon. At kung ano yung katotohanan, no? Yan ang lalabas, matatabunan niya ng inyong mga akala. Maaring marami kayong mga pinaniwalaan in the past na kung ano-ano. At maybe for the longest time, yun ang pinaninindigan ninyo. You're standing by that, no? Believe. Pero, maaring ngayon, madidiscover nyo na kung ano talaga ang totoo, kung ano ang tama, no? At you will realize dito, no, na everything is just an illusion. At ngayon, na maririnig ninyo na ang katotohanan, then you will be convinced na nagkamali kayo ng pinaniwalaan ninyo, no? So, what else? We have number 46, let it shine. Okay? Now is the time for you to shine. Ito yun siguro yung mga ano ninyo, mga galing ninyo, capabilities ninyo. Ito yung mga talents, skills, and gifts siguro ninyo. Let them shine. Okay? Let them shine. Panahon na para ilabas ninyo yan. Panahon na para i-unleash ninyo ang mga yan and share it with the world. Wag ninyong i-keep sa sarili ninyo, no? At marami pang tao ang may inspire ninyo with that, kaya unleash them. What else? We have heal the past and fix tomorrow. Ayan. So, maybe this is what you really need right now as well, no? Para makapag-move on kayo totally sa buhay ninyo. You can move forward in your life. Ayusin nyo na ang inyong nakaraan, no? Nakaraan na, past is in the past. Pero maaring kayo kasi siguro ano pa rin kayo, na apektado pa rin kayo ng inyong nakaraan. Maaring kahit sa pagdedesisyon ninyo sa ngayon, mga plano ninyo, maybe it's still affected by your past, no? So fix it now, no? Fix it now. Heal the past, no? Dapat tapos na ang nakaraan ay nakaraan na, dapat that's behind us, at dapat wala nang epekto yan sa'yo sa ngayon, no? So live in the now, and so that you can fix your tomorrow. Okay? What else? We have always in motion. Maybe there's a lot of movement na mangyayari dito. Well, maraming changes, no, ang maaaring maganap. Kaya talaga sigurong maaaring mabusy kayo. Maybe you will be engaging in a lot of physical activity. No, maaaring maraming travel, maraming pagbabago, trabaho, siguro magbabago kayo ng career path, magnenegosyo, maybe mangingibang bayan kayo, maybe you're going to change place of your residence, maaaring mga gano'n, no? Along those lines, siguro, ang mga pagkakabisihan ninyo. Spirit healers and helpers are with you. Ayan, napakaganda, napakaganda. Maaaring meron kayong yung spirit team, you know, maybe they are with you, no? Maybe they are with you, laging nakagabay sa'yo, laging nakaagapay sa'yo, maaaring ganon. Maaari din, na meron siguro kayong pinagdadaan ng baka alam mo yun, yung sama ng loob, baka merong mga pain, emotional baggages pa. So, maaaring emotionally battered pa rin kayo, no? Nagawa ng inyong nakaraan. Kaya siguro kailangan na ninyong mag-heal from this, no? So that maging clear na ang puso ninyo, ang isip ninyo, and ma-clear na yung energy ninyo so that you can move forward, okay? You can move on with your life. And maaaring with the help of these spirit healers, no? Nandito sila, maaaring tinutulungan ka. No, tinutulungan ka na mag-heal ka na from your past. Tinutulungan ka na mapawi na yung mga sama ng loob ninyo, na hinarbor ninyo sa inyong kalooban, yung mga bigat ng dibdib ninyo from your past. Maaaring nandito sila at tinutulungan ka na unti-unti malinis, no? Ma-clear na ang puso ninyo at ang isip ninyo ng kung ano man ang nagbabother sa inyo. Okay? So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.